What's up, guys? Behind me, I've got Todd's 2024 WRX with only 500 miles on it. First round of goodies that we did for it was full ISC suspension on it, lower control arms, upper toe arms. We did a Cobb stainless 3-inch catback exhaust, ETS intake. Ben is coming to grab it to put on his dyno and perform a 91 octane tune utilizing the Cobb AP. These cars are really amazing what they do with such minimal mods. If you have a VB car, let us know. Hit Steven up, 405-919-8404. We'd be happy to get you in and get you on the right track and get it turned up.